Let the world enjoy top-notch products from China. We are a professional manufacturer, the source factory of diesel generator sets. Multiple models for you to choose from. Product coverage. 康明斯、上柴、玉柴、潍柴、霍金斯 Customized Oven Frame Low Noise Unit Series. Support Unit Expansion Configuration, Automation Control Cabinet, ATS System, Trailer Style Customization, External Fuel Tank Customization, Color Customization. We have a professional production team and technical personnel to provide you with quality assurance and customized services. Meet your different needs. Looking forward to working with you. Win-win cooperation.